Hello, in our Ugandan nature, we are going to look at this. What do you see? Chi cholaba. So, the person is eating rice and what? Rice and fish. Yes, rice and fish. Mu Luganda tugamba tutya? How can you say, I am eating rice and fish? So, this is rice. And this is fish. So the person is eating rice and fish. Mu Luganda tugamba tutya? What is rice in Luganda? Rice, omuceere. So ogwo gwe bayita omuceere. What about this one? This is fried fish. Ekyennyanja ekisiike. So the person is eating rice and fish and fried fish. Olya muceere n'ekyennyanja. So in our Ugandan nature, learn that for today.